Hello YouTube, Great Beard and all. Got a few things to talk about, but first, let's get a cold start going. Here's a cold start. There you go. Now back to the video. Hopefully you can hear me fine. I got the car running and the AC going. Today we're talking about what I'm going to be doing soon. I just ordered a new bunch of parts. So we're going to have some unboxings coming soon, mainly for the transmission, so I can get this thing running. Also, I have an update on my dealer I've been shopping for. I found something that I really want to get. I don't want to tell you what it is yet until it's final. But the only downside to it is it's out of state. So more likely if I buy it, I'll have to have it shipped to Texas. Now, I know you might be asking, is a used car worth being shipped to Texas? I think for what it is and for what it's priced for, I think so. So I'm just gonna cross my fingers. Hopefully we can work out a deal where I can get that car, and I have two options. Fly down there and get it and drive it back, or just pay the money to ship it down. More likely I'll probably have it shipped down. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Expect some unboxing videos soon. I just ordered a bunch of stuff, but you know, with this coronavirus stuff, the shipping may take a little longer than what I usually expect. But that's cool. We're gonna get right back on track on working on this car. Got a lot to do. Got a few more parts I need to get. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do so. Like the video, and we'll see how far we can go with this. Hopefully everybody is safe. Just keep on doing what you got to do, and I'll see you next video. Until then.